contamination. So there's various issues. So we're working on this printed scent technology, which hopefully will answer some of those. So one of the projects I've been working on with Seroma, which is with the North Face. And unfortunately, I don't have this with me because it's just about to go out to a big exhibition in the States with VF, but it's a running bag now. It looks a bit strange with this sort of green bubble behind, but that's what they wanted, a running bag that dispenses scent when you're running along, and then the scent obviously comes up, it disappears. But it works, and it's a small little cartridge. This is my daughter wearing it. But it's a small little cartridge, and the idea being that this can be miniaturized even further, and we can put it into fashion ultimately, you know, as well as consumer goods. But what it does, it creates this very, very personalized scent bubble, really, really small, very, very small amounts of scent versus, you know, large scent that you get from these kind of Glade air fresheners. So it gives you a different effect. But for the next stage from here will be to actually to miniaturize it and to actually print these various different layers and then heat them on demand. I do actually have a little demo I can show you later, but it's not the running bag, but it gives you an idea how these cartridges can work. So I just want to go back into this fashion and well-being, because that's kind of my big thing. The consumer electronics is something that, you know, we set up in Cambridge that just because they had a technology that could help that. But my big thing is fashion. I did my PhD here some while ago, and I was very much inspired by this quote: "Fashion will change dramatically in the coming years. It will be more human, closer to the needs of the people in terms of their well-being, not well-showing." So and this is 1980, and of course he's kind of moved into the whole perfume thing. He's not doing Terry Mugler. This is not moving into fashion anymore. But I worked very closely with my husband. He was working with Terry Mugler in the time, at the 1979, right the way through to 2005, and we've set up a company together. So that's my kind of design and my fashion company, which is called Sensory Design and Technology, and that's now a spin-out from Central St Martin. So we have patents in kind of wearable tech and protecting scent delivery. Well, it's called eScent, which is a user-worn, personalised scent dispenser, where the frequency and type of scent, depending how you're feeling, if you're feeling stressed or if you're feeling tired or if you want to design a perfume, it's determined by the user. So it offers this personalised scent delivery that you can program depending how you're feeling. So there are various benefits to that. And so these are some of the applications, mainly in the sort of well-being area. I mean, there's many, many more in the whole kind of interior design and cars and furniture and a whole range, and of course books, you know, various different, but